Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw a brick from Powerpuff Girls. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First up, I'm going to draw the head. So I'm going to make an oval. But first, I'm going to make two little dots for me. About this distance away from each other. And then I'm going to draw a nice oval. So let's try. Let's start on this side. And I'm going to start here on top. And I'm going to draw an oval best I can. And then on this side, we're going to continue with the oval all the way around. There we go. Like that. Right. Now, halfway through the oval, we're going to draw a line. That's for a cap. Like this. And right above there, we're sort of going to draw a half circle. Up and over, connected. And on the side of the head, we're going to make the cap. So I'm going to start here on the bottom. And there's a little cap. Now in this open cap, I'm going to draw a figure 8. I'm going to start up here. I'm going to draw an 8. Lying on his side. Twisting all the way around. And that's going to be Brick's arms. And then we can make the sleeves as well. There we go. And there are 2 sleeves. Now we can draw the eyes. But first, I'm going to draw the eyebrows. Brick is angry today. So I'm going to draw 2 little check marks like this. And that's going to be the eyebrows. And then the eye. Take it all the way to the side. And then I'm going to draw a pupil with a light reflection. We're going to draw the eye from up here all the way to the side of the head, and then a pupil, of course, with the light reflection. Let's fill the pupils in. Right, and right between the eyes, we're going to draw a little smile. A little naughty smile, like that. Good. And now we're going to do the body. First, I'm going to make a little line there. And I'm going to draw one leg. Make it nice and thick. There we go. And let's do the other leg as well. And then we're going to draw the shoes. There's one shoe, there's the other shoe, and there's a belt. And now for the hair. So let's start on this side. Here we go. And on this side. And let's color Brick's clothes in. And there's Brick. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Brick will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.